Winston Churchill, the voice that gave hope. After school, Winston joined the army. He became a soldier. He went to India, Sudan, and South Africa. He saw war and danger. He also wrote stories about war. In South Africa, he was caught by enemies. They put him in jail. But Winston escaped. He ran away and came back safely. People in England were very happy. They said he was very brave. Winston wrote books about his life. He became famous. He was still young but very strong. He was smart and spoke well. People liked listening to him. He was not afraid of danger. He wanted to help his country. He thought a lot and wrote a lot. He started to think about joining politics. He wanted to make the country better. He knew he could do more than just fight in war. Winston Churchill became a member of Parliament at age 26. He joined the British government. He worked very hard. He gave powerful speeches. People liked his strong voice. Winston wanted to help people. He wanted peace and a strong country. He worked in many jobs in the government. He helped in making laws. Sometimes people did not agree with him, but he always spoke the truth. Winston believed in doing the right thing. He changed political parties. Some people were surprised, but Winston said he followed his heart. He was not perfect, but he tried his best. He wanted to learn and grow. He read many books and wrote many articles. He believed a good leader must keep learning. Winston was now ready for bigger things. He wanted to protect his country. He knew hard times would come. World War I started. Winston became the head of the British Navy. He helped plan the war at sea. He made a big plan called Gallipoli, but the plan failed. Many soldiers died. People were angry. They blamed Winston. He felt very sad. He said sorry and left his job. But he did not stay home. He joined the army again. He went to fight in the war. He worked as a normal soldier. He showed courage. He did not run from failure. He learned many lessons. He said, "Failure is not the end." After the war, he came back to politics. He worked hard again. He became wiser. He knew mistakes help us grow. Winston was now stronger. He was ready for the future. He still believed he could help his country. His dream was still alive. After the war, Winston lost his job. People did not want him in the government. For many years, he had no big work. But he did not stop. He read books. He wrote books. He gave speeches. He warned people about Hitler. He said Hitler was dangerous. But no one listened. People thought Winston was wrong. He felt sad but did not quit. He believed in truth. He waited. He said, "My time will come." He used this quiet time to learn more. He stayed strong. He worked alone. He kept watching world news. He kept warning others. Slowly, things started to change. People saw that Winston was right. Hitler became a big threat. People were now afraid. They started to listen. Winston's hard time was over. He was ready to lead again. He never gave up. In 1940, World War II started. Hitler attacked many countries. Britain was in danger. People were afraid. They needed a strong leader. Winston Churchill became Prime Minister. He gave strong speeches. He said, "We will never give up." People felt brave again. His words gave hope. Bombs fell on London. But Winston stayed calm. He walked with people. He talked to soldiers. He made plans to fight back. He worked day and night. He helped the army stay strong. He spoke on the radio. Everyone listened. He said, "Be brave. We will win." People believed in him. He gave them strength. He showed true leadership. Britain did not give up. Winston became the voice of courage. He helped the country stay together. This was his greatest time. He saved his country with words and willpower. Winston worked with the USA and Russia. He made big war plans. He helped plan the D-Day attack. British and American soldiers fought bravely. They pushed back the German army. After many battles, Germany lost. World War II ended in 1945. People were happy. They said Winston was a hero. He had led Britain through the worst time. But something strange happened. After the war, people voted for a new leader. Winston lost the election. He was not Prime Minister anymore. Still, he smiled. He said, "This is democracy." He respected the people's choice. Winston was sad, but not angry. He loved his country. Even in defeat, he stayed strong. People still loved him. He had helped win the war. His name was now known all over the world. Winston showed what a real hero is. Even after losing, Winston stayed strong. In 1951, he became Prime Minister again. He worked for peace. He helped Britain grow after the war. In 1953, he won the Nobel Prize in Literature. He won for his books and speeches. He loved writing. He also loved painting. He painted in his free time. It made him feel happy. Winston became very famous. People in many countries respected him. He met kings and presidents. He spoke about peace and freedom. In his later years, he slowed down. He got old and tired. But his mind was still sharp. He wrote more books. He told his story to the world. He said, "Words are powerful." Winston used words to fight and to lead. He believed in thinking clearly and speaking strongly. He was now a legend. Winston Churchill died in 1965. He was 90 years old. People all over the world were sad. Britain gave him a state funeral. Many world leaders came to say goodbye. Thousands of people stood on the streets. They wanted to thank him. He had saved their country. He had saved freedom. People said he was the greatest leader. His speeches still live today. His books are still read. His life gives hope to many. He showed that one man can make a big change. He taught us to be brave, to speak truth, and to never give up. He said, "Success is not forever. Failure is not the end. Keep going." Winston Churchill is remembered as a hero. His story is full of courage. His voice still speaks to the world. His legacy will never die. Winston Churchill showed us the power of courage. He failed many times, but he never gave up. His words gave hope. His actions saved a nation. He proved that one strong voice can change the world. Let us remember his words. Never give up.